It feels weird right now, doesn't it? Prices aren't mooning, headlines feel mixed, and part of you's wondering, am I about to miss out on the next big move? Or am I about to make a big mistake? If you're feeling uncertain, confused, or frozen, this video's for you. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners cut through all the hype and build real wealth in crypto using simple macro strategies and building a conviction-based portfolio. After going through my own hard-learned lessons in this market, I decided to do things differently with discipline, clarity, and long-term purpose. Now I'm building wealth the right way in crypto, and I'm helping others do the same along with my journey, not chasing hype, but by stewarding opportunity. If you're here to build something real and not gamble, you're in the right place. And today, we're going to answer a question that so many people are silently asking. That is, should I actually be buying crypto right now? Or should I wait? Not with predictions, not with hype, but with a smart, repeatable framework that you could use in any market condition. Let's start with reality, not Twitter, real reality. Here's where we are right now. Post Bitcoin halving. Liquidity is still relatively weak. Interest rates, they're still a little more on the high side still. We have not seen a lot of interest rate cuts. Risk appetite in the markets, very cautious. And of course, no true, broad, full-blown alt season yet. Alt season has not kicked in. We haven't seen one yet this cycle. This is not the phase where everything is taking off and everything is exploding and everybody is excited and there's lots of parabolic euphoria happening. It's just not there. It's just not happening yet. And that's exactly why it feels so uncomfortable right now. Most beginners, most people getting into crypto, they expect that, everything is supposed to be exciting, euphoric. Everything is supposed to feel really good when it's time to be buying crypto. But I tell you what, historically, the best positioning is really boring. The best positioning, the best time to be buying is a time when it feels really boring. It feels uncertain. It's uncomfortable. It's frustrating. This is what we call the pre-expansion phase. The market isn't rewarding impatience right now. The market is rewarding preparation right now. And that is where most people mess it up. Here's what usually happens when prices are quiet, when sentiment is mixed, when people are arguing online whether crypto is dead or alive, going to zero or going to the moon. Most people sit on the sidelines. They're waiting for confirmation, safety, for the headlines to start saying crypto's back. But by the time that happens, prices are already up 50%. 100%, and sometimes even more. That's when confidence returns. That's when FOMO kicks in. And that's when people finally buy, right before volatility increases and emotions take over. I've lived this, and a lot of us have. The mistake isn't wanting certainty. The mistake is thinking that certainty comes before opportunity. In crypto, certainty comes after the move. Smart investors do not wait for permission. They prepare before the crowd feels comfortable. So listen, crypto doesn't reward bravery or intelligence. It rewards prepared positioning. And if you're feeling uncertain right now, that doesn't mean that you're early or that you're late. It means you're exactly where you should be to start preparing properly. And if you haven't already gotten my free crypto checklist, make sure that you grab that checklist at cryptocolin.com. And this also leads me into the number one skill, very important skill that you need to learn: how to spot early strength without guessing tops or bottoms. You don't need to predict the exact bottom. You don't need to time the perfect entry. What you do need is a framework for early strength. Here are a few beginner-friendly signals that I will often look for. Number one, Bitcoin stability, not pumping, not crashing, weeks or months of sideways action, just ranging, waiting to see what it's going to do, waiting for its next move. You see, sideways action can often be strength building. And number two, liquidity improvement, such as the DXY, the Dixie, starting to roll over. More real rate cut expectations, more risk assets, slowly catching bids. Crypto moves after liquidity improves, not before. And number three, altcoins stop making lower lows, stop moving down, stop making new lows, not moving or not mooning, just stabilizing. That's accumulation behavior. And number four, sentiment is still skeptical. When people are still saying, is this even a real cycle? Something feels different this time. That's usually not the top. These are early conditions, not hype conditions. And here's the key mindset shift. You don't buy when confidence is high. You buy when conviction is forming. Now, this is the part that most people skip and end up paying for it later. The goal right now isn't to go all in. The goal is to be ready. That means knowing what you want to buy, knowing how much you will allocate, knowing where your risk is, knowing how you'll take profits later. Because when the next leg up starts to move, things will move fast. And the people who struggle, they aren't the ones who didn't predict it. They're the ones who didn't prepare for it. Preparation looks boring, but panic is expensive. If this market feels uncertain right now, that's not a warning sign. That's an invitation to get educated, build structure, remove emotional decision making, and step into crypto with confidence and not fear, which is exactly why, again, I created my free crypto checklist. Make sure you grab the checklist at cryptocolin.com. And if you feel that this video has helped you bring in more clarity in what you're doing, if you found the content helpful at all, you know what to do. You know what I'd appreciate if you did. Smash the like button, drop me a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed, well, click subscribe and click the bell so you're notified when new videos are released here for you. I've got a checklist right about here. Checklist. Yeah, it's a checklist. It's a playlist. Check out the playlist. I got some more content, more videos here for you that you're going to find some value in as well. So head on over there. I'll see you there, and bye for now.